So I just got a new toy. I got a GoPro yesterday, so I'm playing around with it, and I'm going to show what we've been working on the Jeep so far. We've got the interior removed for the most part to get all shampooed up. We got the doors all working, windows and everything go up and down, they lock. There was a switch that had to be replaced here, and then that passenger side was disconnected, so it wasn't allowing the other doors to unlock. So there's all the seats. They're going to get shampooed and cleaned. And then back here we've got the spare tire cover and the little weather mat all cleaned up and drying off in the sun. So so far that's all we've got done for it, but filters and fluids are coming this weekend. It'll be a good maintenance day, so stick around.